Do you want your whittling to feel like this, but at the moment it kind of feels like this? In this video I'm going to talk about what I think is the most important thing for effortless carving, and that is picking a soft enough wood. I'm going to talk about an easy way you can check the hardness of the wood you're using, and I'm also going to show you in practice what the difference between a beginner-friendly wood and a much harder wood can look like. So there's a thing called the Janka hardness scale, and that is something that you can use to compare different types of wood and get a good indication of how effortless or strenuous they're going to be to carve. The recommendation for beginners is apparently somewhere between 400 and 700 in pound force, so the number that says lbf after it. So for example, I googled European aspen Janka hardness. I also checked out Norway spruce, and these are both very soft woods. I've also used a little bit of common alder, and this is a little bit harder, but I still find it very soft and smooth to carve. I also found out that on the Janka scale, 1000 is the number where people often draw the line, and anything above that is considered pretty strenuous to whittle. Now this has been made out of silver birch, which is 1210. So that means that this is over 3 times as hard as this. And next I'm going to show you what that difference actually looks like in practice. So here we have European aspen and silver birch. And both of these are great. A lot of people like silver birch. I like silver birch, but I pretty much only use it for things that need a little bit of extra durability, like this crocodile project, where the long and thin tail is kind of a weak spot. But the thing is that no matter how sharp your knife is, harder wood is going to be more strenuous and more time consuming to carve. So let's say I want to make a cut like this on both of these blocks. We're going to see how it goes. So far the aspen needed 5 cuts and the silver birch needed 15 cuts. And now it's probably good to do a little bit of refinement. As you can see, for this one, my knife could definitely be a little bit sharper. I can still get a pretty decent finish. But it requires more time and effort compared to the aspen, not to mention the strain on the hands. With softer wood you don't have to squeeze the block that hard, because the cuts require less force. A softer wood is always going to be easier to carve as long as the quality is similar. So that means that the grain of the wood is pretty straight and even, and the block is not full of knots or anything like that. Now relying on the Janka hardness scale can get you pretty far, but there's a couple caveats that can make carving a lot harder than it needs to be. So click on this video right here to learn more about that.